Welcome, today I'm with XIAOMI 11T Pro and I'll show you how to lock SIM card with SIM pin on this device. So first you should go to the settings and here scroll down to the passwords and security section. Now just go to the privacy section and right here you will see the Virgin Mobile, and also you will see here the lock SIM card switcher. Just tap once on the switcher and type here your password, your pin. So as can you see, your SIM card is locked. If you want, you can change the SIM pin. Just type now the old pin and then just confirm it with the new pin code. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.